that are listed at the exchange, a very positive move that is adding value to us. I'm very happy that in a long time, Kenya Power is actually going to have a significant profit this year. That's really commendable. And I want to thank the management of Kenya Power for what they are doing. And that speaks to all the other government entities that we will be listing at the exchange. I want to give you my commitment that we will be frugal and we will, with a lot of clarity, deal with the challenges of accountability, making sure that public resources are spent for the intention for which they have been planned for, and that those who come in the way of government resources, misappropriation, or loss shall be held to account. In fact, I did propose in my statement a few days ago that we are looking at changing the law so that it is possible to ensure that within 6 months, those charged with corruption must be brought to book and sent to jail if they are found guilty, as a means of making sure that public resources are used for the Kenyan public and not for private profit. As we look forward to further integrating public agencies into the securities market through privatization and welcoming more private sector listing, we remain dedicated to our goals of job creation and economic development, crucial for realizing sustainable development goals and improving overall quality of life. I'm also glad to note that a flexible regulatory framework is now in place to support small and medium enterprise raise funds through the capital markets, and that the NSC, through the unquoted securities platform, now has an SME capital raising platform. And I really want to encourage SMEs to take advantage of this platform and find resources, alternative sources of capital for them to expand their horizon. Investor confidence has been sustained by the fact that the financial markets have remained resilient with stable macroeconomic indicators. To maintain this trend, the Government of Kenya is committed to entrenching a predictable business and economic environment through appropriate policy framework. I also appreciate the positioning of the securities market with the recognition of NSC as the best performing exchange in Africa at 44.43% dollar return in the first quarter this year. I remember when I made that statement somewhere, many people wanted to verify whether it was true, because sometimes we have little faith in ourselves. And I want to encourage us that if we expect people to believe in our country, we must first believe in ourselves. We cannot expect people to believe in us